From solving to San Diego, Portugal to Paris, 1 million views on PhotowalksTV. Congrats, Jefferson Graham. That is quite the accomplishment. Here's to 1 million more.
So I just got the news this week that PhotowalksTV had surpassed 1 million views. And I'm astounded, I'm thrilled. I wanted to take this moment and just say thank you to all the viewers who've been with us through our various episodes through California, Nevada, Utah, Washington, Oregon, Spain, Japan, France. Did I miss anything? Portugal? And we're just getting started. I really appreciate it. I had this idea for a different type of travel show a few years ago, which would marry our love of travel with our fascination with smartphone cameras, which have gotten so good. We all want to take better travel photos, and we say often, why don't mine look as good as that person's? So I'm trying to show off how to get better photos with time-tested photo techniques when we're on the road. So our top 10 episodes to date: Pismo Beach in Morro Bay in the Central Coast of California. We got Riverside, Palm Springs, San Pedro, which is part of LA, the Oregon coast, Silver Lake again, back in Los Angeles, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Newport, Oregon, and our visit to all the delis in LA. I'm at one of them right now, Art's Deli, where every sandwich is a work of art. In the coming weeks, we're going to be going to Japan again. We're going to Osaka, Japan. We're going to Columbus, Ohio. We're going back to Las Vegas to the roofs of the garages. It's going to be kind of fun. And the Badlands of South Dakota. We got some other things in the works, Scotland. Again, I just want to say thanks a million for watching all these episodes of PhotowalksTV. I'm thrilled that you're here. We're going to have a lot more great episodes. Stay tuned for more. As loyal viewers know, there's nothing I love more than some good road food, grilled cheese sandwich on rye. So I'm going to take a bite, say thanks again, and I'll see you on the next photo walk.
You're watching PhotowalksTV.
You're watching PhotowalksTV.
You're watching PhotoWalk.
You're watching PhotowalksTV from Safety Harbor.
So many people are looking to you for these tips on how to take better pictures and also see the sights in these amazing places. So congrats.